It's that time of the year, folks. The snow is falling, Santa and the reindeers are getting ready to load up their sleigh, and children across the world are hanging up their stockings and trying to be on their best behaviour. But what about us grown-ups here in marketing land? Well, this year I've decided to give away the greatest gift of all this Christmas. The gift of daily traffic forever. Hi, I'm Mbadiwe, and along with my little helper and launch partner Mark Jenkins, we're going to give you the best Christmas treat you've ever had. In just 60 seconds from now, you can be set up with free buyer traffic each and every day from 5 different traffic sources, including one brand new one unknown to virtually all marketers. Welcome to Christmas Traffic.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, where I review and promote IT products, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level. Today I have the ultimate Christmas traffic for you, and this one is called XMAS TRAFFIC 2.0. It's going live today on the 5th of December 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And this one is being launched by the super affiliate Islam and his partner, and in a nutshell is training, actually a software that is going to help you place your link on 4 different rotators. Anything you want to actually place there as a link, it could be affiliate link, it could be linked to your website, it could be to your blog, it could be to anything on any niche whatsoever, and you want buyers traffic to be driven to it. Definitely they will place it in 4 different rotators and you'll be able to get the traffic you need, because without traffic there is no making money online. If this is a product you're going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to this bonus page of mine, where you are going to get a copy using this link or any of the other links. I believe scattered all over this page, they are green in color like this one. When you click it, it will take you to the sales page where you can get a similar link, I think green also here, to get a copy for yourself. When you do, you will be able to get access to my amazing bonuses and this very XMAS TRAFFIC 2.0 from Mbadiwe. Now let us go into further details on how this one is going to help you, because it's all about you, how it's going to help you actually make money online. It says that with this very traffic, XMAS TRAFFIC 2.0, you'll be able to send traffic to any URL link of your choice in just 60 seconds. It's a copy and paste. Just place your link there. You place your links are placed on 4 different rotators, including their brand new XMAS traffic rotator from a brand new traffic source, and you'll be able to get traffic to your links. And you know what that means: getting the clicks, and of course capturing the emails for your email list, so that you can make money on demand. So it's a crazy one. He did solos and traffic the other last month, and it did well. My clients and customers did come back with positive feedbacks, and this one is now the 2.0 improved edition of the XMAS traffic. Okay, now you have the pricing. It goes this way: $12.95 with a $3 discount will give you for $9.95, which is well over under $10. Okay, and it will give you access to the amazing software where you will be able to use your traffic actually to get to your links. Okay, so it's self-explanatory actually. Then the OTO number 1, which is the pro version, goes for downsell of $27, and you have to submit 5 additional links to each of the 5 sales rotators, and yet you have access to their massive 25 additional links. Okay, so you have OTO number 2, total traffic fix. It goes for downsell of $97, and here you have the massive boost to extra traffic. 6 free super solo ads are being distributed to over 33,000 members across 25 MMO sites that belong to Mbadiwe. OTO number 3 will be the reseller rights. It goes for $27, You have the OTO number 4, which is done for you campaigns. It goes for 47. Everything is done for you. Every week you will receive 3 done for you campaigns, including a done for you bonus page with a review video. Bonus number OTO number 5 will be the Elite Academy Beta Tester membership, which goes for $997, almost $1,000, and you can always pay it in tranches of $497 for 3 times, and it gives you access to the membership of the great Elite Academy that belongs to Mbadiwe Islam, where some of the students are able to launch their digital products, okay, and you become a member of such a place. And here are some of the amazing benefits you have with this one. You will be able to have a complete set and forget system. Submit anywhere once and you get traffic from multiple sources forever and ever, and it works in any niche of your choice, and includes 4 of their traffic products released in 2022, and of course total newbie friendly. No list is required. Set it up once in seconds and enjoy steady traffic to your link or to your affiliate link, to any link of your choice. So that's basically what you have there. I will show you my amazing bonuses, but before we do that, let us see the very sales page and see if we can scroll together and see exactly what Mbadiwe Islam has here for you. Of course, at your convenience, you'll be able to do this for yourself, so that you read step by step how this is going to actually help you. These are some of the income proofs that they have established. And one thing about Mbadiwe Islam is that he is very clean and very truthful with his income proofs, and that's why I always promote his products. Okay, now you have the 2 gentlemen who are responsible for this. This is Mbadiwe Islam, and here you have Sultan Al-Khaize or whatever. Okay, so that's it. That's what you have here. I think they have bonuses from the vendor as well, which you are going to have access to. It's a simple product. Instead of spending 35 cents or 40 cents to each solo ad that you buy from the solo ads providers, here you have access to 5 or 4 different rotators where your links are going to be placed, and you have the done for you. You have everything. So here are some of the bonuses that you are going to have from Mbadiwe Islam, which has to do with some of the 4 traffic products that he has launched this year, 2022. You'll be able to have them as your amazing bonuses when you eventually get here. Okay, so that's basically what you have as a sales page, which you have access to at your convenience. Now let us take a look at my amazing bonuses before we round up on this. Now my first bonus will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, which is a hack that is going to teach you how to make money on autopilot. 0 to 1,000 per day on, of course, automation system. Now bonus number 3 will be how to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice, which is exactly similar with this traffic XMAS TRAFFIC 2.0, and you'll be able to get training on how you can do it apart from using this very product. Now bonus number 3 will be the commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 links that will give you access to different tools online, of course plugins, link shorteners, background removers, anything you want. You will have access to a link that will give you that capability in this very commission toolbox. My bonus number 4 will be the access to the ClickBank Mastery course, which is another place where you are going to make money online, and of course you will be able to have that for yourself. My bonus number 5 will be Daily Profit Success, which is a training course, a premium bonus from me that is going to help you know how you can make money daily using automation system and other sources that you will be surprised you have with this link. Okay, so when eventually you click this link after arriving using the link in my description area, it will take you to the sales page like I told you, where you are going to get the link that will give you access to XMAS TRAFFIC 2.0. If you click this, it will give you, they send you to my Warrior Plus account where you will purchase this product. After you purchase, under your purchase history, you find a page that looks like this, which gives you access to this link, giving you access to the amazing XMAS TRAFFIC 2.0, and here you have this one giving you access, meaningful of course, to the bonuses that I have just shown you, so that you'll be able to know if this is going to work for you. You have my email address, my website, everything is located here, and then this is exactly where we are going to call it a day on this one. If you are new to my channel or a returning audience, I suggest you use the like button. Give us a like, thumbs up, and of course comment if there is anything, and subscribe to the channel and use the bell button for notifications, and I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me from here is goodbye, guys.